non-profit organization, how to prepare income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet when you are given receipts and payments account. An easy one. In the case of CA, they will be giving you income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet and ask you to find out the receipts and payments account. Whereas this is the easy one. You are given in receipts and payments and you are going to find out income and expenditure account. Already we had discussed some problems in our earlier videos. If you have watched that, you would have understood that the problems are not difficult. If not, please go through the problem which I am taking now and also watch the other videos so you will be thorough. Now let us see the problem. Receipts and payments account for the year ending 31st March 2020 I am showing you. Balance brought down 18,000 on the debit side, that is on the receipt side. Subscription 2,50,000. Admission fee 15,000, sale of old sports material 2,500, hire of ground 28,000, subscription for tournament 60,000, life membership fee 20,000, donation for tournament where is it 6 lakhs. Total amount of receipts during the year is 9,93,500. On the payment side again, balance brought down, bank OD 16,000, upkeep of fields and pavilion, further they spent 1,15,000 rupees. Tournament expenses only 40,000, rates and insurance 10,000, telephone 3,500, postage 4,000, printing and stationery 26,000, miscellaneous expenses 4,400, secretary's honorarium 30,000, grass seed they have purchased for 2,600, they have made investment for 6 lakhs, sports material purchased 68,000, so balance carried down is 74,000. In addition to that, they have given you very clearly what are the assets at the beginning of the year. Playground 5 lakhs, sports material 85,000, subscription receivable 28,000 at the beginning, and cash in hand 18,000, printing and stationery 11,000. Additional information, donation and surplus on account of tournament are to be kept in reserve for a permanent pavilion. Subscription due as on 31st March 2020, that is the subscription outstanding for this year is 42,000, and you are expected to write off 50% of sports material and 30% of printing and stationery. So lot of payments and adjustment also you have to take into account. Now we will see one by one, and let me go to the board to show you how to prepare income and expenditure account from the given data. Subscription received 2,50,000, outstanding for this year given as 42,000, so 2,92,000. Last year subscription receivable is shown as 28,000. So that we should have received now, outstanding of the last year. This is outstanding of this year. So this figure will be 2,64,000 is the total amount of subscription due for this year. 2,50,000, and then comes that 42,000 taken into account. Outstanding of the last year is 28,000, that also you take it. Now other receipts, admission fee, no adjustment, so admission fee, sometimes they may say that you take 50% for towards capital fund, so here nothing is mentioned about that, so entire 15,000 I am taking. Sale of old sports material purchase is there, opening balance is there, so we have to work out sports material used by way of hire of ground. The income received is 28,000. Tournament Subscription surplus on account of tournament is to be kept as a reserve. That is given as additional information, so we will work out separately. Life membership fees, it won't be coming. Donation for tournament, that also we have to keep it for reserve for a permanent pavilion. So we don't consider those things. Now coming to this side, expenses, upkeep of fields and pavilion, 1,15,000. Rates and insurance, 10,000. Telephone, 3,500. Postage, 4,000. Printing and stationery, there is some figure in the opening. So opening printing and stationery, 11,000 rupees. And this time we have paid 26,000 towards that. Printing and stationery, at the end they have given that the total 30% should be written off. Closing balance they have not given. Opening printing and stationery, 11,000. We have a stock, and during this year we have purchased printing and stationery for 26,000. It is said that write off 30% of printing and stationery. So on 30% of this, so 11,100 will come. So 30%, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11,200. So printing and stationery, you show the working, 11,100. Miscellaneous expenses, is 4,400. Secretary's honorarium, 30,000 rupees. Grass seed is purchased for 2,600. Investment won't be coming. Sports material purchase, we have to work out that 50% of sports material we have to write off, so that we will go now. Sports material, opening balance, sports material we have 85,000, and during this year we have purchased 68,000. And during this year there is a sale of 2,500. This should be remaining. So we had opening stock of sports material 85,000, and during this year we have purchased sports material 68,000, and we have sold about 2,500 worth of sports material. Therefore the remaining 1,50,500 should be the closing stock. But what is said that you write off 50% of this. So 50% of this, just half of that, so it becomes 75,250. So you take that figure, show the working, and then take this figure. Sports material, 75,250. So are you clear about that sports material working? Now let us check out whether everything has been taken, and then we will go for the finding out surplus or deficit during this year. Subscription 2 lakhs 50, outstanding is 42. So we have taken that. Last year outstanding subscription from the assets at the beginning of the year, from that particulars. With the we find that 28,000 is outstanding. So after adjustment 2 lakhs 64. Admission fee 15,000. Sale of old sports material we have shown in the consumption of sports material. Hire of ground 28,000. Subscription for tournament. The surplus will be taken into reserve for permanent pavilion. So we don't consider the subscription for tournament, donation for tournament, and on the payment side tournament expenses. So the net figure we will take it to balance sheet. Now on the liability side, upkeep of fields. I had shown tournament expense will not be coming. Rates and insurance, telephone 3,500, postage 4,000, and printing and stationery. I have to work out that. So the 30% only written off. This is the 30% figure. Miscellaneous expenses, printing and then comes printing and stationery again, that has been shown. Miscellaneous expenses 4,400. Secretary's honorarium, grass seed 2,600. Now let us find the total. Three lakhs 7,000. So 3,07,000. 5. So the balancing figure I am getting 51,150. That is the surplus which has to be taken to balance sheet. So one part we have completed, 51,150. Now I have to go for the opening balance sheet. The opening balance sheet, they have given very clearly the assets at the beginning of the year. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. The liabilities and assets. Assets are given as at the beginning of the year, playground. ₹5 lakhs. Cash in hand, $18,000. Sports material, $85,000. Printing and stationery, $11,000. Subscription receivable, $28,000. The problem is very simple because assets very clearly they have given. But one thing you should not forget to take from the receipts and payment side, from receipts and payments account, on the credit side they say balance brought down bank OD. That should not be forgotten. So bank overdraft on the closing balance sheet, 16,000. Mostly this may be the students miss this figure because cash balance they themselves have given, so they don't look into the assets and payments account. Now let us get the total. This time I am getting 6,42,000. So the balance figure will be 6,26,000. So I will be getting 6,42,000 as the total. This is the opening capital fund. 6,26,000 is the opening capital. Now let us go for the balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Is it clear? Only thing in the hitch is that students missed to take this figure, 16,000 rupees. Now I go for as on 31st March 2020. Playground remains as it is, so the same 5 lakhs we have to put it. Closing balance of cash 74,000. Sports material, we have worked out the figure. 50% we have written off, so the remaining sports material you have to take. 1,50,500 is the figure. 50% we have written off, so 75,250. Printing and stationery, totally I think 37,000. Out of that we have written off 11,100. So the balance 25,900 will come here as printing and stationery. For these two things, you go to the workings. Subscription due for this year is 42,000. So I hope that I have taken all. Except that investment from the balance sheet I have to take. That investment is 6 lakhs. They have not mentioned anything about the rate of interest, so we have not calculated the interest accrued. We are taking only the investment figure, 6 lakhs. So check up whether anything is omitted. Playground, cash in hand, sports material, printing, subscription receivable. Looking at the payment side, second to side investment is there, so that we have taken into account. So I think all assets have been taken. Now let me go for the liability side. So capital we have calculated as 6,26,000 opening capital. Surplus figure we got it as 51,150. So the total is 6,77,150. In addition to that, we have to keep the surplus on account of tournament and donations as reserve for permanent pavilion. So reserve for that permanent pavilion, donation received. The donation for tournament we have received is 6 lakhs. You show the working. Donation received is 6 lakhs. And subscription for tournament we have received 60,000. And subscription tournament expenses 40,000. Therefore remaining 6 lakhs 20,000 is there, and that amount we have to keep it as a reserve for pavilion, permanent pavilion. 6 lakhs 20,000. Now one more entry, that is life membership fees. We have received, it is shown in receipts and payments. That is a liability, so that we take. So life member fees is 20,000. So I think we have taken everything. Now it must tally. Let us see that whether we are getting tallied. The side total is 150. This is 7. This is 11. and this is 13,17,150. And coming to this side, we get 150. So thank God. Now 4 plus 5, 9 plus 14 plus 2, 16 only we are getting. Sorry, here is one carry over which I omitted. 9 plus 2, 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 17. We got 1000 also correct. 8, 15, 17, 21. This also okay. 7 plus 6, 13. We got 13,17,150 on both sides. So we got the answer. We got the balance sheet tallied. That comes to the end. So it is a little bit lengthy problem with a lot of adjustments. So I hope I have made very clear to you how to calculate the sports material consumed and sports material for the closing balance sheet, printing and stationery, and reserve for permanent pavilion, etc. If you also agree with me that I have explained to you very clearly, please do subscribe and also suggest to your friends. Let them also watch and get the benefit. And if you already subscribed, my thanks to you. Thank you very much for watching. We will see other chapters in the course of other videos, future videos. Thank you.